Okay, so Isolation Premier League के is special episode. हर episode special होता है. आज ज़्यादा special है because I have one of my favorites here. Watching her bat is like watching elegance and poetry in motion. Watch it come alive. So very happy that we've got Smriti Mandana here on the show with us. Smriti, how are you?
Thank you, Gaurav. I think you're the only person who pronounced my name properly.
सही बोला ना मैंने?
Yes, like Mandana. Otherwise, everyone is like Mandana.
Mandana. Everybody says Mandana. Jemmy said the same thing on our show. She said everybody says her name wrong.
Yeah.
Call her Jemima.
Jemima, yeah.
Yeah. So I said, don't worry, I will not say it wrong. So I said Jemima Rodrigo.
I have her name saved on my phone as Ignore.
But you guys are doing a show together now. Are you? Is it difficult for you to let the third person speak?
Yeah, actually it is difficult. So that's why we have kept a section. Like initially for 3-4 minutes, we talk about our experience or our story, and then we call the guest.
I was of course very shocked that you only give 3-4 minutes to yourselves and then you let the other person talk after that. Because मुझे लगा था ये पूरे episode में ऐसे चलता रहे. So I've got an idea. Then what we can do is we can do a collaboration of both shows. Everything can come, and then we can play Isolation Premier League of you versus Jemmy, because Jemmy did very well in the show, by the way. She was in the 90s.
94, right?
I think the only objective today that you have is to beat Jemmy.
Smriti Mandana, try and defeat this score 94. I know your memory is bad, but I don't know. Sometimes kuch chamatkar ho jaye and she might also get more than 94. But I'll be praying that you'll get less than 94.
Okay, so let me tell you about the rules real quick. You have 6 questions, which are your power play, जो एक ही topic पे, which are worth 6 runs each. So we'll start with your power play. Yeah, your power play is about 2018, which was your absolute golden year.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Okay, so you were named ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year. Before you, only one Indian cricketer has won it.
Julan Goswami.
Well done, 6 runs.
I remember reading it as a kid, like a 9-year-old, and I was like, wow, such a big achievement. If I get it, it'll be crazy.
Yeah, I think you were 10 or 11 at the time that she had won. So amazing that you remember it. Fantastic. Now, the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year award was renamed as the Rachel Aho Flint Award. Okay. Right? They just renamed it. Right? So you won it. And who's the other recipient of this award?
Okay.
She won it the year before you, and then she won it the year after you.
Alice Perry, yeah. I remember. Easy.
Yeah.
Competition को कभी भूलते नहीं ना अपन.
बात है. इधर है competition सवाल है थोड़े. So now you were named in 2018. You were named in both the ODI and T20I teams of the year by the ICC. There was only one other Indian who was also named in both those teams.
Poonam Yadav?
Option 2. What did you say?
Poonam Yadav.
और ऑप्शन के पहले ही फ्रंट फुट पे आके स्टैंडर्ड स्ट्रोक 6 रन बहुत बढ़िया.
Because consistently, I think for last 3 years we both have been in both the teams, so I remember that properly.
So now you batted 12 times in ODIs. Yeah, 12 innings you had. How many half centuries did you get? How many times did you cross 50?
Like half century, like 100 is also counted in half century.
Yeah, you crossed 50, no? So 100 is also counted. You can count and say, you can sing and say, you can paint and say, cook and say.
Who we played again?
Little more. Keep going.
Who we played more, man? 7? 9? 8?
Oh, yeah.
8 is absolutely correct. I will anyway give you one up and down.
Nice.
Question 5. You made your highest score for India in the month of February in South Africa.
How much was it? Don't ask me.
I'll ask you the simplest question about 100. Just tell me how many you scored and I'll give you 10 runs aage piche.
Shit. Around 130.
Wow, amazing. 135. Well done.
Yes.
Stop giving these clues and this lead that I'm giving you. Huh? Your highest T20I score of the year came in the World Cup against Australia. Right? I want to know the venue. कहाँ पे मारा था? It was 83 or 55 balls.
Guyana.
Guyana, power play, Guyana, 36 run. पता था मुझे क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah, this is easy, man. This is easy.
So you have done very well in the power play. Smriti, you've got 36 runs. Well done. These are your middle overs. 10 questions worth 4 runs.
That is a problem. Power play is always a strength. Middle overs is a problem.
अब आया पहाड़ के बीच है. You are presently on a run of how many consecutive 50s while chasing in ODIs? मतलब chase पसंद.
Have you not played ODIs for a while, yeah?
Smriti को chase पसंद है.
9?
I'll give you options. I've got options. Oh, before the options.
Is it correct?
Should I tell you what the options were? I'll tell you what the options were. 7, 8, 9, 10. You said 9.
Okay.
4 runs, because that is correct. Well done.
Yeah. I remember reading, I saw the photo somewhere when we played the last one game.
Question number 8. I love this question. Only one Indian in women's or men's cricket, that's the clue, has reached 2000 ODI runs faster.
Shikhar Dhawan.
It is correct. You are actually the 3rd fastest in the world in women's cricket, right? There are only 2 people ahead of you.
I just know Lanning. I don't know. Maybe Belinda Clark?
Well done. देखा सब पता है. सब पता है.
Because they have averages of like crazy averages, na? And they have scored from when they were 17, 18. So.
नहीं ठीक है हम समझते हैं. हमें सब समझ में आ रहा है. दे रहा हूँ सब.
You should give me 4 marks for that, yeah. Take that as a question.
No, I'm giving you trivia. But for that, because you answered the trivia so well, I will give you a free hit afterwards for 4 runs.
Yeah. Then I can beat Jemmy.
Okay, now you've hit the joint fastest 50 in T20 cricket. Who do you share the record with? अभी आप कह रहे थे ना कि competition याद रहता है. That's a 50 of 18 balls.
Sophie Devine.
याद रहता है competition. Right?
He's hit it against India only. I remember that. 18 ball 50.
यहाँ भी हो रही है 50. You're reaching 50 here as well.
50 से हो जाती है. 100 मारना hard होता है.
50 तो आ जाती है, but you've not missed a single one so far. So you must get this as well. You hold the record for the highest individual score in the women's T20 challenge, right?
Ooh. Yeah.
ये last year ही था. This is very recent. How many runs did you hit?
Yeah, I remember the match. I'm just confused between.
Oh, so let me just tell you. I'll give you a 5 run up and down.
92.
92. You hit 90. You hit 90.
Because I remember I got out in the last over and I was trying to hit like 6-7 runs to get the 100. So that I remember that.
As far as that makes it your half century. Taaliyan. Stadium में तालियां.
You.
आजकल यही है ना, imaginary bat, imaginary तालियां.
Visualization पे जिंदगी कट रही है.
Smriti, you've got your 50. Well done. Let's see if you can get to 100. I know you don't really care about getting to 100. You just want to get beyond Jemmy's score. I know that. I know that's the motivation. So, question 11. You made your test debut in a win over England. What was the venue?
Wormsley, England. That I can't forget.
And also, you can't forget that what you did in the first ball. First ball you faced in Test cricket.
I hit a boundary, na?
Yes. Do you remember who the bowler was?
Oh, Kid Cross?
सब कुछ ही पता था basically.
नहीं यार, वो 2014 वाली match, I think that's like one of the best memories we have had.
Tell me why.
8 debutants थे and we're playing England in England. इतना like thick grass on the wicket and I was like, standing at short leg they were batting. I was like, oh shit, it's gonna be crazy. Like the ball is cutting and in and out and I was like, क्या करूँगी पता नहीं. And that's my first tour to England ever. Like and I was like 17 or 18, so just very nervous I was. And the first ball, I was like, "Arey yaar, itni badi gap hai. Like, we don't have that much of Test cricket, na. Like covers is only there, and there's only point. Like there are 3 slip fielders and all, na. No mid off, no extra covers, and I was like, wow, that's great. I just have to time the ball. That's it. So yeah, after that first boundary, I was like, हाँ ठीक है, मैं खेल सकती हूँ इनके साथ भी. So I was like, doubting myself कि क्या पता क्या होगा. That's why.
And you top scored. You top scored in the chase.
Yeah, I think we won the match against England in England with 8 debutants, which they were playing like Ashes, na? So they had Test matches. So yeah, that was quite memorable.
Amazing. I love these stories. Now we're going to ask you a story about a film, right? I'm going to show you a picture. And this was... Okay, so I'm just going to show you the picture and you have to tell me the name of the movie. So this is the announcement poster for the music launch of a film.
Okay.
And you did the music launch.
Kanna.
Yeah. I tell you, it's too easy, yeah. For you, it's just too easy.
These are easy questions. I just went last year. How will I forget that? And that's like first time I'm gone for a Tamil movie. And they're talking in Tamil. I think just one sentence I remember, I understood in the whole launch was like, please Smriti ma'am, come to the stage. And I was like, okay, they're calling me.
So question 13, if you are ready. You are India's youngest ever T20I captain, female or male. Whose record did you break?
Suresh Raina.
Very good. 23 years and 197 days was his record that you broke. That you broke very comfortably, actually. Okay. Question number 14. You and who have shared the most century stands for India than any other pair?
Me and Mithali ji has to be.
How many?
Oh. Yeah, you're improvising the question now.
You सामने लिखा है इसके.
I don't know how many. Century?
That's not a question for points. You can just guess.
I think in T20s we've had 2. And in one days it's hard. I think somewhere around 4-5.
Absolutely right. See, even if that was the question, you would have remembered. It's 5 in ODIs and 2 in T20. So question number 15. You've got 14 out of 14 right, by the way. Question number 15 is a tough question. Which bowler has dismissed you the most often across international cricket? In international cricket, across formats.
Marizin Cap?
Options, no options.
Yeah, give me options.
So is it Cap, Megan Schutt, Anya Shrubsole, or Prabodhini?
I think Prabodhini. Or Cap, yeah. I'm really confused between both. दोनों को ले लो यार. वो edit कर देना जो भी correct answer है.
Well, you said your 4 options were Cap, Schutt, Shrubsole, and Prabodhini. You said Prabodhini and Cap. Both are wrong. It's Megan Schutt who's got you out 6 times, and the other 2 have got you out 5 times.
Schutt has got me out more than them. That's strange, yeah.
Schutt ने आपको shoot कर दिया point blank.
Yes.
आपका last question है middle overs का. This is the first one you got wrong, but you'll still get to your 90s. In fact, you can still get to 100 because you have a free hit also.
Oh.
So don't worry. Question 16. With who have you shared your highest stand in international cricket?
One day T20 any, no?
Across formats.
Yeah, has to be one day. Jimmy only, 192, no?
190 with Jimmy.
Yeah.
Where at 98 you weren't tempted to throw it away. But at 190 you threw it away?
Yeah, I threw it. 3 runs बचे थे जीतने को. I got out.
There's this thing I noticed in you that towards the end you just like कुछ पटाखे हो जाएं.
The whole innings 192 ka, so I got 100 runs, and I think I spoke to dad. I have a habit to call mom and dad before match. I just like call them, they say all the best, and I say thank you mommy, and that's it. So dad just told me, आज बेटा हवे में मत खेलना, नीचे से खेलना. As soon as I got my 100, I was like, अभी क्या पप्पा के लिए खेलना है, अभी तो अपने लिए खेलते हैं. Then I started hitting. Until then I got out with 190 on top.
So the moral of the story is, Mummy and Papa always right.
Yeah, true.
Are you helping mother in the house or not with household chores?
I was for the first 30 days of lockdown. I was like washing utensils and all that stuff. But now it's like we have a helper at home who's staying here only. So now that it's not that much needed.
So now sleeping, more sleeping.
Actually, yeah, today I just went down and batted on tennis ball. I was so bored today morning.
So who's doing the throwdowns? Dad or brother?
Actually, I had my coach. He just stays like just opposite to my house. So I just called him, can you please come and just throw some balls today? Like it's because now that the lockdown, we are in orange zone, so that it's not like we have timing from what time we can go and do. So just down in colony we have that cement track and all. I just like maybe 70-80 balls I played.
But the thing is that bowling to you is anyway allowed क्योंकि वो तो social distancing के साथ ही होती है ना bowling.
Yeah, but like from him for him to come from there to my place would be a bit difficult. When we didn't want to break any laws and all. Now when it is like allowed a bit movement, I told him, can you please come?
But that's very good. I think that's also a good message to give to people. कि भैया जो rules है ना, rules मत तोड़ो क्योंकि rules सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है, ये हम सबके लिए हैं.
Yes.
Right? That's a good message to give. That's a good message. Well, you are at 72 now. You have 4 questions left.
Okay.
These are your death overs. Worth 6 runs each.
उतना मैं टिकती नहीं हूँ.
This is your number jodidar. Your number jodidar यानी कि विराट कोहली. Apart from your jersey number, there is one other unique thing that you share with Virat Kohli.
What? You have to give me option. Acha.
Something that you do on the cricket field, which is very similar. And you told me this.
Chasing.
There's something that it's not a twisted question. You told me this in Breakfast with Champions.
Bowling action.
Bowling action means, yeah, what is the term that you use?
Double UD. I think लोगों ने बहुत उस पे मजाक उड़ाया डबल उड़ी पे.
Double UD is the correct answer. Yes, the wrong-footed bowling action.
Wrong-footed bowling action, yeah.
Which is called double UD. I love the term double UD. Question 18. Your 4 ODI hundreds have come in 4 different countries. You have to name them.
Easy. South Africa, England, New Zealand, Australia.
बहुत easy है यार. तुम.
It's easy because that Sena thing comes, no? Like they keep saying, no, Sena, you've scored in Sena and all that stuff. So yeah, I remember.
Now, question number 19 is a picture question.
Okay.
This picture is. Do you recognize this person? You know? Have you ever met her?
Yeah, unfortunately, I know her. I wish I didn't know her, but yeah, I know her.
Her name is Ignore. You have to tell me exactly what location this is. Not just country, exact location.
Exactly. I know it's New Zealand. Exact location hard hai.
Okay, for New Zealand, the waterfalls, I give you half points. But you have to name the waterfalls for me to give you 6.
Can you just give me the starting letter of it? Then I will guess.
If I give you the starting letter, then you only get 4 runs. It's H.
I don't remember this. We just went now only actually. एक ही साल हुआ. H. Nah, no.
I'll give you another clue. Yeah?
Yeah.
इसका जो नाम है, ये गांव में बहुत पिया जाता है.
गांव में क्या पीते हैं? I don't know.
Hookah falls.
Hookah falls. You'd have given me a better this.
कितना अच्छा क्लू था. सोचो गांव में पीते हैं hookah. है ना?
Hookah falls. But you have to give me 2 points at least.
I'm giving you 3 points for New Zealand.
3, हाँ. Yeah.
हाँ 3. देखो 2 की जगह you asking for 2, I'm giving you 3. ये 6 pointer है और उसके बाद एक 3-8 है. ठीक है? तो 10 runs up for play हैं अभी.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. This is a who am I question.
Oh shit.
Right? So I'll give you 3 clues. If in the first clue you tell me who I am, 6 points. Second clue you ask for 4, and third clue you ask for 2. ठीक है? So who am I? You and me have the most century partnerships in T20Is for India. Nobody has more than us.
Shefali Verma.
Shefali Verma is your answer.
Wait. You give me that look, na. It has to be someone from Mithali Di and Shefali only. Because Mithali ke saath I've had 2. Shefali ke saath I had 1 in West Indies, 2 in West Indies for that game. 2 nahi, 1 hi. Stuff man.
Young Smriti. plagued by self-doubt for the first time in her life.
What are the clues? You told me first clue. If I get, then you.
The second clue makes it worth 4 runs, so you should still get 4 runs. So let me tell you the second clue.
Okay, but wait. I'll try in the first one.
Let me tell you.
Okay, just go.
He shared India's highest ever stand in T20Is.
शेफाली only यार. ये आपने मुझे confuse कर दिया. 6 point मिल रहे थे मुझे.
It is. You will get 6. You will get 6. You got it right.
Yeah. Yes.
Well done, which means you have ended your 20 at 93. You're 1 run. One run. Okay, Smriti, ये है आपका free hit वाला सवाल. Free hit वाला सवाल हमेशा थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा होता है, टेढ़ा, left field. But left field is not a problem for you because you are left-handed. So the answer I'm looking for is के अलग-अलग नाम हैं. So in 6th century India, they used to call it Pachisi. China, Malaysia और Singapore में it's called aeroplane chess. And Germany में भी एक version है इस game का, which is Man Don't Get Angry. That's the name of the game in German. And you've played this game a lot this year. What game am I talking about?
I don't think I've played anything else than cricket though. मैं क्रिकेट छोड़ के कुछ खेली नहीं इस साल.
सोचो खेल रहे हो भाई लॉकडाउन में खेला है इतना.
Pachisi, I don't know these names only though, but I'll have to just guess मैंने क्या खेला है इस साल. Ludo.
Ludo is absolutely correct. How happy are you of being above Jemmy on the leaderboard?
Yeah, it feels like an achievement because memory is not my strength. And like beating Jemmy has a good memory otherwise. She will remember everything. So, and I think I believe she had even done some research on herself and come to the show. I have actually not done anything of that sort.
पढ़ाई करके आई थी?
थोड़ा मतलब she was telling me कि थोड़ा actually her mom is like if you ask her mom the question she'll get 100 on 100 on Jemmy because she's like that big follower.
मैं फिर से जाके सारी फुटेज देखूंगा कि किसी की आवाज तो नहीं आ रही पीछे से.
नहीं when she was answering नहीं but before the show I think auntie would have helped because auntie is like a true follower of women's cricket. She will know everything like.
So I'll tell you what you're doing right now. One, though, of course, you're happy that you beat her. Secondly, you're showing off about beating her by not practicing and saying that she was practicing.
Yes,
So, मतलब एक तो जला जले के ऊपर नमक. यही हो रहा है ना? यही हो रहा है ना? Vidhi, this is amazing. I have once again enjoyed having you on the show. Once again enjoyed chatting with you so much. To all your fans who are watching right now and would like to see you guys playing cricket, being there out on the field, is there anything, any message you'd like to give them?
No, I think that will happen soon whenever, everything settles down in the country at the moment. I think that's the priority at the moment. Like, cricket will definitely happen whenever everything is settled down. So, I think whoever my fans are, I think the show's fans are, I think just they should, follow what government is saying. Because if we follow, there are more chances of having cricket back soon because it's going to end soon. So, yeah, I would just say that, follow whatever government says and help them stay home, stay safe.
Thanks, Smriti, for being on this episode of Isolation Premier League.
Thank you, Gaurav.
That's all we have time for. We're going to see you with another game really soon. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to Oaktree Sports and also like, share and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.